The beveled profile, relieved back, and laser-accurate scales make Woodpeckers Woodworking Rules a favorite of woodworkers everywhere. And now, with 2 simple machine screws, you can turn your 12-inch or longer woodworking rule into an adjustable T-square. Woodpecker's Precision Woodworking Protractor head mounts to the end of any 12-inch or longer woodworking rule. Now you have a T-square for accurate layout work. Turn it over, loosen the 2 knobs, and now you can set the blade to any angle. The laser-engraved angle scale is easy to read, and the crisp indicator line is right on top of the scale to eliminate parallax. The head adjusts smoothly and locks securely at whatever angle you need. And if you need to use it again as a rule, it's just as easy to remove the protractor head. The Precision Woodworking Protractor comes with a wall-mountable racket that keeps your protractor head right in plain sight and ready for work. The racket stores the head by itself or with a rule installed. Added versatility for Woodpeckers Woodworking Rules. Order your Precision Woodworking Protractor head today.